Encyclopedia grades on the top will be formed of the book, CD, PDF, laptop page, T-shirt, poster card. The encyclopedia, the book will be formed of 10 parts. The first part will be formed of 420 pages, highly edited and printed. The second part to the 10 parts also formed of 600 pages for each. Means the whole encyclopedia will be formed of 5,820 pages. The CD will be turned in it either the first part or the second or either to the 10 parts or the whole encyclopedia. PDF, I will provide a download link to download PDF either of the first part or the second to the 10 part or the whole encyclopedia, and I put the timeline for this on my project on Go. Laptop page, printed on it the logo of the encyclopedia will be in different colors. The page will be on different colors. T-shirt, and the T-shirt will be also printed on it the logo of the encyclopedia and will be formed of different color and size. The poster card will be printed on it logo of the encyclopedia grade on the top. The encyclopedia, as I said before, will be formed of 10 parts. There will be, as I said, book, CD, PDF, page, T-shirt, poster card. The encyclopedia will finish by your help and support. Thank you very much and good night.
Bosque della Pace. This is the winter home for tens of thousands of migratory birds which travel from Canada and the northern United States to New Mexico. The Bosque serves as part of America's wildlife refuge system. The sights and sounds of birds in flight capture people's hearts and imaginations like no other natural wonder. Bosque de la Pace is a Spanish phrase meaning woods of the Apache. 17th century Spanish settlers named the place after Native Americans who resided in what is now central New Mexico. Fed by the waters of the Rio Grande, the Bosque today serves as a refuge for birds and mammals alike. To stand and watch the flights of these great birds gives inspiration to the soul and makes the flying attempt of the Greek mythological character Icarus comprehensible. One of the more graceful winter residents of Bosque de la Pace is the sandhill crane. Every fall, the greater sandhills migrate 800 air miles from Idaho to the Bosque. They spend the majority of the season within the refuge's protected borders, roosting in the marshes at night and flying to nearby fields for eating during the day. This local daily commute from resting to feeding grounds offers the chance to see these majestic animals in flight. A frequent companion of the sandhills is the whooping crane. The whoopers at the Bosque are the result of an experiment to help increase this endangered species numbers. Years ago, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service at Grays Lake, Idaho, in cooperation with Canadian biologists, seeded sandhill nests with whooping crane eggs in hopes of increasing the whooper population. Sandhill parents fostered the baby whooping cranes, and the new family additions adopted the migratory habits of the sandhills. These majestic white birds seen at the Bosque today are a result of this program. The Bosque offers shelter to almost 300 other bird species. Water birds include the well-known mallard, represented here by the multicolored male and the beige-colored female. the appropriately named northern shoveler, the American coot, and the northern pintail. There are Canada geese, and great numbers of snow geese. Birds of prey include the red-tailed hawk and the American kestrel. Here, the female is on the top branch while the male perches below. Species vary from the blackbird to the canyon towhee, to the elusive green-backed heron. The greater yellowlegs is a regular resident of the Bosque, frequently feeding near water's edge. Other common birds are the American pipit and the killdeer. Rio Grande wild turkeys inhabit the brush areas of the Bosque. When they stray into open field areas, however, they are always vulnerable to attack from predators such as the coyote. The leader of the flock, in her own slow and deliberate way, eventually leads the group back to the safety of the brush. Once again concealed, the turkeys are relatively secure from their enemies. Indeed, the beauty of Bosque del Apache makes it one of the premier wildlife areas in America. It provides not only a refuge for its mammals and birds, but an important sanctuary, although temporal, for us humans as well.